selamat malam. Hello beautiful people, how are you? I'm sure you guys are well. Let's rambling ala Faizanina. Let's ngoceh ala Faizanina. Rambling is ngoceh. Jadi rambling itu bahasa Inggrisnya dari ngoceh ya. Saya baru nemu tadi. I just found today. Alright. Ya, ala Faizanina yang so Inggris tentunya ya. Thank you to the viewers who are still loyal to listening to Faiza's rambling. Terima kasih bagi para penonton yang masih setia mendengarin Faizanina ngoceh ya. For those who have just found my channel, buat kalian yang baru menemukan channel saya, welcome to my channel. Selamat datang di channel saya and happy watching. Dan selamat nonton. Iya, selamat nonton. Oke. I want to tell you something. Yeah, the story. This is the true story. Ini cerita yang nyata ya, kisah nyata, kisah nyata. So I just lost my cat. Saya baru aja kehilangan kucing. So I took my cat out to buy fish at the market and also went for a walk for the first time for my cat. I mean, jadi saya ajak kucing saya keluar beli ikan di pasar dan sekali jalan-jalan gitu ya, dan itu tuh kali pertama buat dia, buat kucing saya ini ya. And when we arrived, dan ketika kita baru tiba, he jumped, dia loncat ya, and run away without being caught, dan lari nggak kejar gitu ya. I don't know whether it was because this was his first time and he was afraid of many people or vehicles, entah ini karena kali pertama dan buat dia takut dengan orang atau kendaraan gitu ya. I don't know, saya nggak tahu juga ya. I feel weak when I got home. Ya, saya lemes tuh sampai rumah ya. I regret it that when my little brother said not to take him out, but I forced him. Jadi saya nyesel ya, kenapa nggak dengerin adik saya bilang jangan diajak.
Ada nih yo.
Tapi saya maksa gitu loh ya, karena saking pengen bawa dia jalan-jalan gitu ya, because I was so excited want to bring him out, right? But yeah, let it go. Tapi udahlah, ikhlaskan aja gitu ya. Kalau dia kerasan juga nanti akan balik lagi ya, meskipun nggak yakin juga sih ya. Just if you feel comfortable he will come back, but I'm not sure either. Well, my question is, tanya saya adalah, will he come home? Apakah dia akan pulang? Can he come home? Apakah dia bisa pulang? I just talk to myself I talk in my heart. Saya bicara dalam hati saya gitu ya. Hope he will come back home. Saya harap dia bisa pulang ya. And then I try to search some information. Jadi saya coba cari informasi on YouTube and Google, di YouTube dan Google ya. Oke, ini hasil pencarian saya adalah ini ya. This is the result of my research. First, carilah kucing pada lokasi favoritnya. Find the cat on his favorite or her favorite place. And then the second, prepare the food in front of the house. Siapkan makanan di depan rumah. And then the third, find on the place more far ya. And then the fourth, ask help from another cat. Jadi minta tolong kepada kucing yang lain. And then the fifth, use the power of social media. Gunakan kekuatan media sosial ya. Because my cat disappeared because he jumped or got away. Berhubung kucing saya hilangnya karena loncat atau lepas ya. So I didn't use all the methods I mentioned earlier. Jadi saya nggak akan gunakan cara-cara yang baru saya sebutkan, semua cara yang saya sebutkan tadi ya. Alright. Based on several studies, berdasarkan beberapa penelitian menyebutkan ya, cats can return home even though they have been gone for a long time. Jadi kucing itu bisa pulang meski sudah pergi lama. As long as the cat really wants to return home, selama kucing itu memang ingin kembali, ingin pulang ke rumah ya, or is not caught by someone, atau tidak ditangkap orang intinya gitu ya, itu dia bisa pulang, mereka bisa pulang, they can come back home. In addition to try to find or so forth ya, selain berusaha mencari dan lain-lain, there is nothing wrong with praying that our cat will return home so that it can be found fast. Jadi nggak ada salahnya ya berdoa supaya kucing kita pulang ya, supaya lebih cepat ketemu gitu ya. So I try to read that prayer. Saya coba untuk doa ini ya, doa tersebut saya baca gitu ya. Actually this is for the lost item, hanya untuk barang hilang ya. This is the prayer, ini doanya ya. Ijma' fihi roibala liyaumin nasi jami'a ya Allahumma ma'afiyatin khairin fi udolati wa baini. That's the prayer. And the meaning is, oh my Lord, oh God, who gathers all humans on a day when there is no doubt about it, reunite me and my lost item with the goodness of Afia. Jadi artinya seperti ini ya, wahai Tuhanku, wahai Allah yang mengumpulkan semua manusia di hari yang tiada ragu lagi padanya, pertemukan aku dengan barangku yang hilang dengan kebaikan dari Afia. That's the prayer. How cats can find a way home? Gimana kucing bisa menemukan jalan pulang? Ini menarik ya, this is interesting. So they use various environmental clues such as visual signs and then smells and sounds to navigate their environment. Jadi mereka menggunakan berbagai petunjuk lingkungan seperti tanda visual, kemudian bau dan suara untuk menavigasi lingkungan mereka. Ya, misalnya dengan mengenali bau rumahnya atau suara pemiliknya dan jarak yang cukup jauh gitu ya. For example, by recognizing the smell of their house or the voice of their owner from a distance. This is how they find their way home, even though they are in a strange place. Ya. Jadi dengan cara itulah mereka menemukan jalan pulang meskipun mereka berada di tempat yang asing gitu ya. But there is one unique way. Tapi ada nih satu cara unik, yaitu there is leaving a message to a cat around the place where the cat lost. Jadi titip pesan ke kucing sekitar tempat hilangnya kucing. Is it an effective way? Apakah cara ini efektif? Believe it or not? Percaya atau tidak? Yes, yeah. This is very effective and I have proven it myself. Cara ini sangat efektif dan saya sudah membuktikannya sendiri. I went to the place where my cat entered through a small hole that you can see on the video. Yeah. Jadi saya datangi tempat kucing saya masuk melalui lubang kecil, bisa kalian lihat di video ya. I brought cat food, saya bawa makanan kucing, I caught one small cat, kembang telur. Japanese called kembang telur, means the cat has the 3 colors. Ya, jadi saya panggil kucing kecil itu kembang telur. Kalau orang Jawa bilang itu kembang telur karena ada 3 warna ya, makanya disebut kembang telur. So it's called kembang telur ya. Okay, and then I said what I said to the cat like this. Yang saya bilang ke kucing tadi adalah begini. Hi beautiful cat, halo kucing cantik. if you meet Miko, the orange cat, the Oyen cat, ya Oyen cat. Kalau kamu ketemu kucing namanya Miko, Oyen, ya, who entered here yesterday afternoon, yang masuk ke sini kemarin sore, please tell him that Mama and Mas Amang looking for him. Kalau mamanya sama Mas Bambang itu nyariin dia gitu ya. Mama is sad. Tell him Mama is sad. Kasih tahu ya mamanya tuh sedih gitu ya. Miko didn't come home yesterday. Jadi Miko nggak pulang kemarin. He jumped out of his carrier and ran and entered this house. Dia lompat dan kemudian lari gitu ya. Lompat dari gendongan nih, yang gendongan saya maksud saya. Kemudian lari dan masuk ke rumah ini gitu ya. Yeah, the point is Mama is sad. I said like that. So that cat. And if he is confused about the way home, jika dia bingung jalan pulang, tell him the direction. Kasih tahu ini arahnya nih. Take straight, and then turn the left straight. There is a red light. Then he will remember it. Jadi nanti ini lurus aja. Terus nanti ada belok kiri. Nanti ada lampu merah. Nah dia tahu jalannya di situ. Itu yang saya bilang. That's what I told to that cat. Sounds it's impossible ya. Kedengarannya tuh nggak mungkin, but it's true. Tapi ini nyata gitu ya. This is based on scientific evidence, and the answer is yes. Hal ini berdasarkan bukti ilmiah dan jawabannya adalah ya. Because cats do have their own way of finding their way home, either by their sense or direction or their sense of smell. Karena kucing memang punya cara untuk menemukan jalan pulangnya sendiri ya, baik dengan indera arah atau indera penciumannya, seperti itu. And there he goes, ini dia. I love Miko, I love you. Oh no. Ini dia di sini sekarang. This is Miko. His name is Miko. Yeah, I once live with him and uploaded videos about him. Saya pernah ajak dia live ya, dan saya unggah satu video dia di sini. Jika kalian pernah nonton, if you ever watch the drama cats, kucing yang drama ya. Oh sorry, no it's okay. No, it's okay. Do you have the same experience? For those who are losing their cat, you can use this method ya, I mentioned earlier, and hopefully it will be found soon. Amen. Apakah kalian punya pengalaman yang sama? Bagi yang sedang kehilangan kucing, bisa pakai cara yang saya sebutkan tadi ya, dan semoga segera ditemukan. Amin. That's all from me. Hope my video always give you benefit. I'll see you on the next video. Stay positive, stay wise. Thanks for watching. Okay. Sorry. That's all for everyone. See you. It's okay. Please. Hey. Sayang nak. Ya, ini oke.